ono ye mukyala wange gwe mproposes olwaleero era tujja kuba ffenna nsuubira okumwagala.
Well, there is no wedding.
What?
Yes, as I said, there is no wedding. It was just stage act. Yeah, it was just as I told you.
So why are you calling off your wedding? Yet they just proposed days ago.
That's the same thing that brought me here today. I think it's not 2 days past that we were together.
Okay.
And for sure, I didn't sleep either eat. So a lot of things has been stressing me. The family, the social media, the friends. So I just had to come out and tell the truth, exactly what's happening between me and Mr. Lwasa.
So why choose him?
Because I love him and he's a good guy. I see the best in him.
Afi, why the sudden change in your plans? Because the last day we were with you, you showed us you were so happy, you were so much in love with you, you were promising him heaven on earth.
To be honest, as I told you, this was stage managed.
Okay, by who?
It was just
By
himself. You knew that this was surprise.
So why didn't you refuse this from the start?
I couldn't refuse because I just never wanted to shame him because, you know, he has name more than me. And he's, you know, you guys were already there. So I just had to do what it was supposed to be done at that time.
Okay.
But I regretted after.
Okay.
That's why I didn't sleep since then. And by the way, to be honest, I haven't even ate anything.
So you mean the two of you have been dating?
Yeah. For now, I think it's becoming to a year, 10 months,
Okay.
something like that.
How long have you known Mr. Lwasa?
In fact, it's now becoming to 2 months. I've known him 2 months. Yeah, 2 months.
So 2 months.
Yeah.
You mean the whole story changes from
year.
coming to a year to 2 months?
Yes.
Okay. Tell us, how did you come to link up with him?
It's a long story. As he said, he's a businessman. And as my family, we are into gold business, and that's what he does.
So eventually it turned out the two of you started dating.
We never dated. I said it and I'm saying it again.
The two of you staged a date.
Yes. Well, he ever invited me for a dinner, I remember. But it was just a dinner with a friend. Yeah.
That's why didn't you reject his proposal?
I just never wanted to shame him. I just need to be a help. And I never thought it would be viral. As I said, for sure, I never thought. And I remember when I reached at the office, you were the only person who was there. And when I tried to ask what is all this, what's happening, he was like, no, they're just going to take picture. You know, that's why even he took me where business partners sit, you know. Well, I think no one likes to settle for less, so he was still choosing.
Okay.
Yeah.
You promised him heaven on earth. What do you have to tell him at the moment?
I think there is nothing much that I have to tell him because he knew also this. He knew that it was all about, should we call it a prank? Should we call it I don't know what to call it, to be honest. But he knows that it was all about camera act.
Okay, what were you chasing from the start? Were you after his money? Are you a scam?
I don't know if you guys will believe it. Anyway, what you see on TV, it's not what the real life is.
Okay.
I don't know about his money. I always hear that he has money, he's this and he's that. But
has he ever given you a single penny?
To be honest, no.